Hello, this is Alessio. Today is Monday, the 17th of May, and this is the weekly charts for the week ahead. And as always, we're gonna go over the 6 charts for the week, starting off with Adobe, as you can see. So the forecast has changed a little since the last time. The last time I was predicting I was predicting a bottom in place and then for the upside. But because of this move down, which is in 5 ways, I'll zoom in a little for you. As you can see, it appears to be in 5 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So because of that, it's I had to change my count, which now looks more like either. It's honestly, it's hard to have a wave X. This is a triple correction. It's hard to have this way actually to go above this. So actually what could be happening is this is not X, this is 1. And we are now having an ABC correction. Possible? Yes. Likely? Not too much. So yeah, this could be 1. And now we're going an ABC down in 2. But it's easier to count actually 3 ways up and 5 ways up. So we need to be aware of that. We need to. So trading wise, since we had the 5 ways down, we should be waiting for 3 ways up, or since it's a B wave, can also become a triangle, and then possibly you could trade for the short term the 5 ways down in C. That is possible as well. Other than that, there's not really much more to add on that because I feel like the chart speaks for itself. If we move on to UPS, so HubSpot, we can see how we were expecting this ABC, which I've tracked down for the last week. And now it does look like we are showing some support. As you can see, this is a 61.8 fib relation. It's a fib extension of wave A. So I've taken the length of wave A and compare it to see how long is wave C compared to A. And here is 61.8 times, 0.618 times longer, so it's actually shorter. And of course, 61.8 is the fib golden ratio. But what else? If let's go to the hourly time frame. I'll delete this, and this could actually be a diagonal. It could be some kind of 1. Make it blue. 1, down in 1, up in 2. Oh, actually, up in 2, down in 3, up in 4, and then down again in 5. Oops, sorry about that. All right, up and down in 5. Nice trend line, possible. Yes, that's also a possibility. The reason is, think about this, guys. This move down, we have not had such big of a pullback in the entire move down. So what that makes us think, is that this pullback is of a larger degree than any of the pullback which came during the move down. So that is why it could actually be the way C itself in the shape of a diagonal. Right. Hope you're following what I'm trying to say. Of course, I can be wrong, but I feel like that is a possibility at this stage. So we need to see if you can see further upside. So far, the move down. This is an hourly time frame. Let's go to 30 minutes. I feel like you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we just fight a pullback and then further upside. But let's wait. I would like to break this point, and let's wait and see. But so far it is looking promising, let's say. So that was ups. Moving on to interactive broker, which I've been tracking down for quite a while now. So now I'm expecting with this way forward to pair up with this way too. And yeah, honestly, all I can tell you is I bought it in my personal account. So I've started to trade this in my account. Sorry to long this. If we compare with the length with C to A, we can see how it has reached equality and reacted higher, which is good. That is confluence. I've looked at the RSI, and we are starting to have, let's see if I can pop this up. With an average, just a second. Right, RSI, create, okay. Yes, it is oversold, which is good. I would be happy to see usually a divergence with price and the RSI. Yeah, the RSI is personally something I look myself after. At least I like to buy when it's oversold or when you have a divergence. But that is just my personal trading style. So I'm not here to teach you that. I'm here to show you what should and could be happening. So yeah, the equality is a confluence. It's evidence. If we go to the log scale, I think we can also see how wave 4 is possibly as long as wave 2. Let's see that right here. No, it's not yet, but yeah, there's no need to go actually on the log scale for this. But yeah, so far the move has been in 3, because this pullback is much bigger than any other pullback. So that is why it's possibly of the higher degree. So as long as it's going to be in 3 and not 5, there's no reason to worry. If we move on to Nio, I think I gotta, yeah, Nio, we can see how let's call it bullish count was invalidated, but with members, we have been tracking down the alternate. So the alternate predicts down in A, up in B, and down and then again C. The question is, when is wave C going to be completed? The answer is, if we zoom in, so I can show you more clearly, even by looking at the daily chart, we can see down in 1, up in 2, and then possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to make wave 3, here 4. So let's see. I would like to see an either leg down, and then most likely you can see resumption of the uptrend. That's what I would like to see. It is a little messy because of if I will usually use the log scale, but I can't. Otherwise, it's not going to show up on the screen. Sorry for that. But it's looking good. If we use the log scale, we can see how this channel. Actually, I'll try to use another platform and see if I can show you guys. Okay, so just a second. Sorry for the mess. I'll try to be quick. Okay, so okay, guys, here we are. Sorry about that. But yeah, so here, this is a log scale. So you can see here how log scale. You can see how if we use the parallel channel, which I think it's going to give me some issues. Yes, yeah, I don't like this, but sorry for that. But trust me, I can see on the other platform, and I think it's very clear to the naked eye that the channel has been reached. So perhaps now we can, as I said, maybe another leg down, and then we can see possible upside. So that was Nio. This is the chart of Pinterest. which is the first time I bring to the channel. Actually, not the channel, but to TradingLounge, and to all of you guys. So the interesting part is that this move, this possible correction, has been the largest. So if we are going to resume to the upside, it's going to be a big move, because after such this correction, it means that possibly a wave one of a high degree, so intermediate, has just completed, just ended. So now we should see a wave three intermediate degree, which it should take as much higher. As always, the question is, when is this correction going to be completed? So first of all, you can see how we have reached equality. But of course, we would like to see 5 waves. I can count 5 waves, but as always, it's always good to wait and see for confirmation. However, the point I was trying to make earlier is, if this is 1, 2, you can all imagine what's going to happen next and where we're going to go. Thing is, this stock has been listed quite recently, so we don't have that much data to work with, which it's not a great thing when we talk about Elliott. However, let's say, of course, this could be A and B, since we don't have that much data to go back with. So this could be A and B. Even if it's A, B, C, and not 1, 2, 3, we're still missing 5 ways up. So that's something I wanted to point it out. So let's wait and see, but upside should be expected. Last but not least is Zillow. Ticker symbol is Z. Once again, I think I need to go on the arithmetic scale, otherwise it won't show. So here, I feel like the 5 ways are pretty, sorry about that, pretty clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we're gonna see whether we're gonna get move up or not, but the 5 ways are pretty clear. I've been predicting this for a long time to the short side. I don't like to trade current trend moves, but I always told members that it could have been done. So long story short, 5 ways are there. Now, of course, as always, the question is it actually completed or not? We're gonna see. I think by this week we're gonna have lots of answers across all charts. Not only the charts that I've brought to you today, but also the charts that I cover within TradingLounge. So I feel like it's just a matter of time. Time will give us the answers. But what I'm thinking now is, if all these stocks are going to actually start to move back up, then the indices should follow. And it looks like after, the sell-offs, let's call it that way, the move down we've seen last week, it looks like, we should be ready for further upside. But yeah, that was it for me today. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any comments to make, any remarks, any suggestions or questions. And I'll see you on Friday for the best performing charts of the week. Thanks for watching. And